So today we'll be doing a farm to table recipe spread. We have Texan steak, lamb chops, and brined chicken. These will be accompanied by an apple, rocket, and macadamia salad, ash baked sweet potatoes, and fried flatbread. We will sip this all down with a refreshing watermelon coulis. Hi, I'm Chef Thari. I am a sous chef, so I've been working in the restaurant industry for about 5 years now. I'm really passionate about food. It's my first love, and what draws me to food is knowing where it comes from. Mostly I focus on farm to table foods. Here is what you will need to marinate and prepare our meat. Starting with the Texan steak, for our marinade we will add salt, sugar, and barbecue spice blend. Check out the description below for the ingredients to the blend. Olive oil and Worcester sauce. Massage the meat well, ensuring that the meat is fully coated. Next is our lamb chops. Add salt and spice blend, Worcester sauce, and then massage the marinade all into the meat. Next we have the chicken, which has been in a brine solution overnight. The brine has lemons, rosemary, salt, and topped with water. Check out the description below for the ingredients. We got some wood chips that I'm going to soak in water for about 30 minutes. We soak the wood chips so that it creates more smoke when they burn. This adds more of a smoky flavor to our meat. Now moving on to our side dishes, I'm going to start off with preparing ash baked sweet potatoes. You will need sweet potatoes, salt, pepper, oil, and some sprigs of rosemary. Coat the sweet potatoes well in the seasoning and wrap in foil, ensuring to double wrap the sweet potatoes into parcels ready for the braai. Place the parcels in the outer coal of the fire and cook for 2 hours. Next, we will be preparing an apple, fennel, and macadamia salad. You will need Granny Smith apples, hang ngomazi, pickled red onion, roasted macadamia nuts, fennel, rocket, salt, and pepper. We'll start with layering our rockets on the platter. Next, we'll make some quick pickled onions. Cut your onions into slices and place them in a bowl. Add vinegar, sugar, salt, and hot water. Allow to sit in the water for 15 minutes or longer. Slice the Granny Smith apples and start layering on the bed of rockets. Next, we will add roasted macadamia nuts, and then using 2 spoons our hang ngomazi. To make your hang ngomazi, place some ngomazi in a damp dishcloth or muslin cloth and hang over the kitchen sink overnight. Liquid will drip off and you will be left with a soft cheese in the morning. Add pickled onions and finish off the salad with some balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and seasoning. For our next side, we will be preparing flatbread. You will need bread flour, salt, yeast, sugar, water, ngomazi, and oil to make your dough. Mix all the ingredients to make a dough. Allow it to prove and portion into balls. Flour your surface and roll dough into round discs. Repeat until you have all your discs ready. Proof for 10 minutes and place on the braai. Cook on the first side for 2 to 5 minutes. Flip over, coat with oil, and cook on the other side. So a side note on how to tell that your bread is ready. You should tap it on top and it should sound hollow. The outside should be golden and crispy. We are now going to place the meats onto the brine. Flip the meat and cook on the other side until your meat is done. And baste the meat with the marinade. After that, we must close the braai to allow the meat to smoke and helps maintain a low, steady cooking heat.
My passion for food comes from knowing where your food is sourced and just understanding more about how your food was treated before you eat it. I'd like to know my source of where my food comes from, how it was treated, how it was grown, because everything starts from an experience.
Now for the watermelon coulis. It's a really simple recipe. Check out the description below for the ingredients.